Okay, we spent about 3.5 hours getting this window, this windshield, kind of like just like a primary fit, just to see if we can get it on. I don't have a seal for it, so we're looking to go down right into that groove. We're pretty close. I had to cut into it to get this to go down. I think we're gonna, oh, there it went, some more. Okay, keeps going as I keep working it. This one too. Of course, nothing's ever straight on these old boats. So those are studs that go through the hull, top of the hull, and I can suck these down. Hold on a second. And I think I can suck this down in a little bit wider here, but probably because it was just a little bit different of a windshield. But for a generic glass windshield, it fits pretty good. This is a glass windshield I picked up for free. It was given to me. Can't think of a better boat for it to go on. No extra charge. Didn't cost me anything, so that's a really nice glass windshield. Glass, solid glass. I'm really excited to have that on the boat. So yeah, we got a lot done today. Yeah, well, as you can see why. This is Oregon in the winter, which is unusual. Let's see what we got for numbers. 4:30. We've been working on this since about 10. And about 62 degrees and about 55% humidity. So yeah, good to help get this thing out in the sun, to get this paint to cure and get that dash to cure. And yeah, I think we got a lot done today. Good Lord. I don't know about the wood, but you can see the dash sags a little bit. Once this is done, I'm gonna raise that up a little bit when I tighten the windshield in. And see if I can get some of that sag out of that. But I don't know. They had a little bit in there, maybe. I don't know. I don't see anything underneath that would have changed anything. I was under the dash. I was everywhere in this boat, so. But over the years, I'm sure it's changed, but nonetheless, you can get too picky. Got some owies. Ouch, 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 but it's okay. You know what? That stuff can all be fixed. And as far as getting the windshield fitted, today, I'm super stoked. Now that stud in the middle does not go all the way through. What I didn't account for was that there's in the center of this right here, there's a 1-inch thick piece of plywood that's 6 inches deep across this to support this. So that hole all I did was just drill into the 6 inches of the 1-inch plywood. So not worried about it. I'm pretty sure that when I suck down these two corners, that will be okay. So anyway, update on the windshield.